All right, we are going to take a quick look at how you could add a Google form that includes images, YouTube videos, various types of questions directly into your Google Classroom without ever actually leaving your Google Classroom. So first thing, you're in your classwork tab, create, going to create an assignment. Takes you to the assignment template screen. We're just going to call it a sample for the title. You can put instructions in here. This is where it's nice on the secondary side. You could assign it to multiple classes if you teach multiple sections of the same subject, differentiate with which students can actually get this assignment, due date, all that good stuff. But what we're going to do right now is go ahead and hit the create button, go down, find Google Forms. It's going to open up a brand new form from scratch that you could use with your students. So first thing, give it a title as well. We'll just call that sample. Awesome. And you start off with your first question. So it's going to be multiple choice by default. You could add all these different question types. So short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down are the most frequently used, but you also have other options as well. Sticking with our triangles theme here. So what type of triangle is this? Because not only can you just do text-based questions, but this little image here is how you could insert an image directly from your computer or from any of these other sources. What's also nice though is you could insert it directly from the web through a Google image search. So in this case, we'll look for a right triangle. Right triangle. Awesome. My picture's in the way here. Right triangle. Insert. Just going to insert that image directly into the question. And now you as a teacher can start populating your right and wrong answers. So we'll just keep it simple for demonstration purposes. But you could put, your as many wrong answers as you want for those multiple choices. Over on this right-hand side, here's your toolbar where you can add a new question. And just to show again, so you could also insert images directly into the answers. So which is a right triangle, and then the same image button down there next to my answers. And I could actually insert an image of a right triangle and various non-right triangles directly into the answer itself. Again, we'll pretend like we went through the extra steps of adding my wrong answers here. And then some other things you could do over here. You could add different sections, all kinds of stuff like that. You can add an image that's not attached to a specific question. So if you want to insert a graph or insert a map and ask several questions based on that image, reading excerpts, whatever, you could insert YouTube videos also directly. So if you already have the URL, you can just copy and paste it, or you could search directly from the web if you're looking for a new video. Sticking with our triangles theme here. And looks like that. Looks educational. Awesome. Select. Now that's embedded. So when the kids see it, they don't go to YouTube. They just click it, watch it inside Google Forms, and you could add a couple questions underneath the video about what they just watched in the video. So use your imagination what questions might be there. Final step is you go through, you could change the theme and colors and all that kind of stuff. But now that you're done, it's just going to be a matter of getting it to your kids. But since you're already building it in Google Classroom, that's as easy as hitting the assign button. So once you go back, give it a due date, give it a topic. If you have a special unit on triangles, you want that to be your topic. If you want to go to all students, just make all your choices here. I'm going to keep it as is. Hit assign. It's going to do its internet magic. Now I go down here and I see my sample assignment has been created. There's my sample form. Kids have access to it instantly as long as they are in your Google Classroom. I can also take this same assignment link and I can copy that link to Seesaw if I want my kids to start off in Seesaw, work their way to Google Classroom. I could also take the form link, not the actual assignment link, send it to kids directly via email. Again, take that link, put it into Seesaw. I could really do whatever I want to do with either one, either Google Classroom or just the form by itself, and get it to my students in a variety of methods.